Welcome to Vridhi Finance, and we are presenting Life Insurance Corporation of India IPO 2022. Everybody was waiting since 2020 onwards for Life Insurance Corporation of India IPO. Basically, dear investors and viewers, first of all, this company is very biggest as comparing as to the uh, almost 90% companies which are listed into the market. Not 90%, but at least we can see this company is having a lot of presence. Is like Indian Railway kind of thing. We can say over here, if you see the digitalization is quite slow as comparing as to other competitor. So basically LIC has 10 large amount of customer base. Apart from that, they are into the technology, but it quite slow as comparing as to the SBI Life, HDFC Life, ICICI Prudential Life, Max Life, and Bajaj Alliance Life. So all these other private companies or government types SBI Life also having a good amount of exposure for their product into the market. Okay, so government should have this company should work out rather than giving an answers like government want and disinvestment blah 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 blah. So because if you are having good amount of presence since long back, you can do so many things. So here is their digitalization is lacking. Probably they are not working out. It's like they are doing door to door and all, and more into the retail rather than the capturing market from B2B. So yes, absolutely, they have already given like third party and all, but if you see, various research and development activities has been carried out by life insurance like Bajaj Alliance, Canara, HSBC, OBC, ICICI Prudential Life, SBI Life, Tata AIA. So this is what they are having good amount of customer relationship management. Then they are having WhatsApp bot, iServe, enable insurance, and WhatsApp on is used by ICICI Prudential has launched humanoid AI based conversational tool reminds policyholder for their renewal premium. But in case of LIC, what exactly you get the letter, you get a SMS maximum. So here is the they have to re-strategize themselves. Okay, you get an email. So we are going to talk about LIC dominant compared with the insurance and their respective countries. The life insurance industry is a capital incentive long gestation period which is resulted only few players being active industries across most market, and larger player within each market have significant market shares. In China, life insurance market is dominated by Ping or Insurance China Life Insurance Company with the market shares 20%, 1% to 20 and 20%. In Malaysia, AIA, BHT, Great Eastern Life Insurance, the two largest insurers cumulatively accounted approximately 37% premium garnered by industry. CY 2020 in Japan, largest insurer Nippon Life Insurance Company has market shares of 16.2% as CI 2020. So, however, the world difference market shares between largest and the second largest life insurance of stock as India, second largest player is 8.0 market shares, GWP compared life LIC market 64.1% GWP for fiscal year 2021. LIC market shares in India unparalleled globally, with no other life insurance player in the other country enjoys such a larger market. Market shares distribution United States is quite unlike other part of the world, with the top 15 insurer accounting approximately 60% of total market in 2020, and Northwestern Mutual Life Insurance Company is a top life insurer in US with the market 8.4, followed by MetLife Incorporation 7.6 market shares, and New York Life Insurance Company 7.5% market share as of 2020. So it's here we are seeing the global presence of LIC in United States. If you see, Northwestern Mutual Life Insurance Company and MetLife Incorporation is existing. In China, Ping an insurance company in China, life insurance company is existing. Japan Nippon Life and Japan Post Life Insurance Co Limited is existing. In India, LIC Life Insurance Corporation of India and SBI Life Insurance is existing. United Kingdom is having captured by Aviva PLC and Lloyd Bank Group. South Korea is having Samsung Life Insurance and Hanwha Life Insurance, wherein Malaysia is AIA BHT Great Eastern Life Insurance. So here Indian only having greater player at the international platform competing by SBI Life Insurance and Life Insurance Corporation of India. So if we see the globally Alliance SE by global positioning, okay, so in India, Life Insurance Corporation of India existing on number 5th, Alliance AC by Germany, Ping an Insurance by China, China Life Insurance by China, AC Curazioni Generalized SPA by Italy, Life Insurance Corporation of India by India, Nippon Life Insurance by Japan, AXA by France, Japan Post Insurance by Japan, Daiichi Life Holding by Japan, Northwestern Mutual US, MetLife Incorporation US, and People Insurance Company of China. So if you see, more of the Japan product has sold in India, even Nippon Life Insurance or UK based companies selling Aviva with the types of few of the banks. Okay, so Global Alliance AC largest world terms of life insurance premium and second terms of the total asset, largely due to presence of multiple geography like Europe, USA, Asia Pacific. LIC ranked 5th global in terms of life insurance premium and 10th number on total assets. So if you see in Indian market, LIC, SBI Life, then ICICI Prudential and Max Life with the Bajaj Alliance Life and other private player also available with the total. So here if you see, LIC is on the topmost in the number of total premium in billions, where their customers is a mixed basis on total premium, also dominating. In case of individual LIC, if you see the total, they are capturing good amount, but as an individual, the number one has gone to SBI Life, HDFC Life, not ICICI Prudential is above, and Max is above the ICICI Prudential. So as an individual person, if go for further products, then they choose somewhere Max Life, then ICICI Prudential, after all goes to SBI, after that HDFC and the others, and private players is also available. But if you see the group of life insurance premium has goes maximum to LIC, and then later on Bajaj Allianz is also capturing market. If you see new business premium were dominated by also LIC, and later on the total private player of total numbers. So here is SBI Life is individually people nowadays more interested in SBI and ICICI Prudential as well as Bajaj Alliance. Why this is happening now? The deviation, because probably COVID, because probably the customer need an immediate response. That's the reason. Might be LIC agent network wider entire life insurance agent network on 31st March 2021, 1.35 million individual. It is an agent network compared to 1.1 million individual entire private life insurance industry. The number of individual agent LIC has increased CAGR 7% between March 2019 and March 2021. Comparing next best player of agency for CAGR 5% during the same period of the average, and the private agency for CAGR 4% during the same period. LIC also has the highest agent productivity, both premium and the number of policies. So here they have given the fiscal year or policies they gives target and all whatever they have earning as per the agent they have earned it even. LIC according to NBP per employee and direct NBP generated by per employee, where LIC had 721 MDRT members calendar year 2021, which was among all Indian corporate operating in the financial service industry, ranked 32 globally. LIC had 19,393 agents, including 721 MDRT members who met criteria MDRT agent status calendar year 2021. If you see corporation, our LIC Corporation of India has an omni-channel distribution platform for individual product, currently compare individual agent, Benica insurance partner, alternate channel, corporate agent, broker, insurance marketing firm, digital sales through the portal of corporation website, micro insurance agent, point of sales, personal life insurance scheme, corporation of individual policy privately distributed by our individual agent, and fiscal year 2019, 2020, 2021. 9 month ended 31st December 2021. Our individual agent were responsible sourcing 96.69%, 95.73%, 94.78%, and 96.20%. Our corporation NBP for our individual products of India respectively. Our corporation has largest individual agent network among life insurance entities in India, comprise approximately 1.33 million individual agent as on December 31st, 2021, which was 6.8 times number of individual agent of the second largest insurer. Customer can also approach the branch offices, satellite offices, purchase product through an intermediary. Mid-Iris 31st December 2021, our corporation has 2,048 branches and 1,559 satellite offices, covering 91% districts of India. Our corporation multi-channel distribution platform group product compromise. Our employees has a sales team, group product and individual agent, Benica insurance partner, alternate channel partners. In addition, corporate insurance operation in India. Our company has branches each in of Fiji, Mauritius, United Kingdom, subsidiaries in Bahrain like Qatar, Kuwait, Oman and United Arab Emirates, Bangladesh, Nepal, Singapore. Sri Lanka in life insurance industry fiscal year 2019-2020 and fiscal year 2021 ninth month ended December 31st, 2021. Consolidated basis of our premium outside India is 0.93%, 0.99%, 0.73%, 0.69% respectively. Total set of fourth is, so we are going to talk about their global presence over here. 1.33 million individual agents, 70 bank assurance partner, 215 alternate channels, a portal on our corporation website, digital sales, 2128 micro insurance agents and 4769 point of sales personal life insurance schemes. So here we have given as per the financial year 2019, 2020, 2021 and ended December 2021 on 31st. So 96.69%, 795.73%, 94.78%, 96.20% of our NBP of our individual product in India respectively. Key matrices of agent and networks. The largest network among the insurance entities in this India, and yes, if you see, we can see 55% of total agent networks in India. 6.85 time number of individual agent is the second largest insurers in terms of agent network. So they have a really good amount of agent networks where they are basically, it's we can say they usually go face to face rather than going on a telephonic one. So here is the thing that if you see, we have a wide presence across India, distributed our policies all 36 state union territories. On 31st March 2021, 91% districts of India comparing to 81% of entire private sectors combined. On 31st March 2021, we had 2,390 offices located in Tier 3 and Tier 4 centers. We are privately player 583 aggregate of those center. We had 177 offices located in Tier 5 and Tier 6 centers. We are privately player had 55 aggregate those cities centers. We relatively lower geography concentration. Individual NBP from top 10 state of 9th month ended 31st December 2021. Fiscal year 2020, 71.2%, 72.1%, and comparing median 75.6%, 74.5% for the 5 players respectively. So this is what we can say about. Not we are not going to a highest $1 million round table, that is MDRT. Okay. On this Indian corporate financial services, they have given that what exactly they give and how they deliver to the market. So we are going to talk about, there are two apps are intermediary for pre-purchase stage, that is sales app and application provided intermediary, lead management, financial need analysis, codes, illustration, e-proposal and content management is facilitated on their sales app, where LIC quick quote app is also available as an intermediary. So you can, if you wanted to buy, you can do it. So their technology also bring the some sort of revenue. We had added technology capability customer journey from purchase to payment claim process as on December 31st. 2021 corporation of portal has 18.60 million registered user, and corporation of mobile apps policy holder available both Android and iOS based 5.13 million registered user. We spent 1774.39 million, 4244.04 million, 3614.20 million, and 1373.40 millions on information technology on consolidated fiscal year 2019, 2020, 2021 and 9th month ended December 31st, 2021 respectively. So they have focus on technology too, but if you see, there are the people, they have another portal also, E2E, which is online customer onboarding portal, enables senior business associate to register new proposal of insurance company, complete process underwriting and accept a risk customer instantly with the immediate insurance first premium received. Then I proposal is facility, which is giving the senior business associate, select development officer, LIC associate, chief life insurance advisor, empowered agent, online submission of proposal, data services, branch offices, underwriting and completion of acceptance process. Atmanirbhar agent new business digital app is ANANDA was implemented November 2020, and the purchase of insurance digital platform for all comparing to the channels agent, chief life insurance advisor, development officer, facility and new business process, seamless paperless manner, any time and physical filling of form and paper based key fulfillment of submission, any document physical. ANDA is available for mobile app. Our preference application growth and trend indicator is Pragati app. Comprehensive, so these are technologies based. Our corporation website provide insurance product information, brochure, premium calendar, office locator, insurance portal. Corporation website market customer can purchase policy, make online premium payment, loan interest payment, online loan request, online address change, PAN, NEFT registration, ULIP fund switch and mode alternation, advance premium payment, grievance registration and online service request. NBP policies sold in our corporation portal increased 2748.91 million. Fiscal year 2019, 6116.67 million in fiscal year 2021, and the CAGR 49.17%. Our NBP from policies sold corporation portal 1454.44 million 9-month ended 31st December 2021. Customers of the digital payment has been increasing. So nowadays how there are number of percentage as per, because if see large amount of if you wanted to capture all the track everything, then you have to do it so many things, and this is not easy to handle 1 billion, around approximately 30% of having a life insurance policies. So 30% of 1 billion is to manage this kind of policies is a challenge for their diversifying investment portfolios. Okay, so anyways, we are not going much more deeper over here. If you see our net profit of the sales redemption policy holder investment, this is a 2,38,972.08 million, 1,93,874.89 million. It is in 3,98,096.31 million, 3,64,627.79 million in fiscal year 2019, 2020, 2021 and 31st December 2021 respectively. So we are not going to read about the CAGR now. Anyways, so here is all whatever we have given all informations to you about. Yes, December 31st 2021, Life Insurance Corporation of India having 1 lakh, sorry, 5,207 full-time employee, including 43 employees deputed to foreign entities. And the break, okay, so this is all about which we have covered about the company and their strategy. We are not going from portfolio wise, because if we will give you, we have proven a track record of growth of over 65 years. So since 65 years they are into the market. Okay, so this is all about, we are going to give it to you. Dear viewers, now we are going to talk about the company detail. Yes, absolutely. If you see the company detail over here about the LIC, this company is very old as comparing as one of the oldest company, because it's from the government sector. Life Insurance Corporation of India company detail. This company has registered on 1st September 1956 under Life Insurance Corporation Act. Okay, obtain certificate registration number is 51200. Take insurance by certificate September 20, 1956. Issue control by insurance accordance with the provision of Insurance Act. Our corporation obtained has registration from IRDA Insurance on January 1st, 2001, which was renewed on annual basis, and 3A Insurance Act, and this amendment section 3A Insurance Act has December 2014. Okay, the process of annual renewal is certificate has discontinued according to the certificate registration. So 31st January 2014 has continued. Dear viewers, if you are interested to apply for this IPO, you can apply minimum one lot, which will cost you 14,235 rupees for 15 share. Maximum you can apply 14 lot, which will cost 1,99,290 rupees only for 210 shares. Pre-issue shareholding will be 100%. Post-issue shareholding will be 96.50%. Okay, so here we are going to talk about, in the year of 1957, this office has registered address is, the central office of our corporation was shifted from Oriental Building, Fort Bombay, Mumbai number 4000 4x01 at Maharashtra, India, to Jeevan Kendra Churchgate, Mumbai, 3x021. 1964, the central office of a corporation is shifted from Jeevan Kendra Churchgate, Mumbai, 3x021 to Yogakshema Jeevan Building, Marg, Nariman Point, 3x021. Okay, so here we are going to talk about the company footprints rather than going to, because if we will make such a lengthy, nobody will watch it. Okay, nobody will watch it means how many people will watch it, we are not aware, but probably it can goes to around an 1 hour video, because this is number one. If you see, their foreign branches are in Fiji, Mauritius and United Kingdom. Their subsidiaries are LIC Pension Fund 100%, LIC Card Services Limited 100%, LIC Insurance Corporation International BSC 99.66%, Life Insurance Corporation Singapore PT 100%, Life Insurance Corporation Lanka Limited 80%, Life Insurance Corporation Nepal Limited 55%, Life Insurance Corporation LIC of Bangladesh Limited 3.33%. Associate LIC Housing Finance 45.24%, LIC HFL Assets These are associates, okay. In India, Assets Management Company Limited 5.38%, IDBI Bank Limited 49.24%, IDBI Trustship Service Limited 29.84%, LIC Mutual Fund Assets Management Limited 45%, LIC Mutual Fund Trustees Private Limited 49%. So these are the group of structure which they have on 31st December 2021. That is, we can only confirm you. Apart from that, here we are going to talk about their company footprint. 1956 establishment of our corporation. 1956 establishment of foreign branches in Fiji and Mauritius. 1960 establish of foreign branches in United Kingdom. 1963 to 64 corporation undertook initiative becoming an installing computer with installation of two computer system, one in Mumbai, one in Kolkata, and improve the operation. 1981 implementation reorganization policy gave effect to large scale of decentralization of operation and decision making. 1989 established associate LIC Housing Finance Limited. 1989 established LIC Mutual Fund as a trust. 1989 established subsidiary Life Insurance Corporation of International BSEs in Bahrain. 1997 International of Corporation Metro Area Network and Wide Area Network Result Linking on network all branches. 2000 established subsidiary Life Insurance Corporation Nepal Limited. 2003 Life Insurance established Industry Life Insurance Corporation Lanka Limited, Sri Lanka. 2006 established LIC Golden Jubilee Foundation aim support construction hospital school and provide scholarship and mentor students from marginalized communities. 2007 established subsidiaries LIC Pension Fund Limited. 2007 enter into agreement implementing enterprise document management with an aim converted to the policy record into the digital format. 2008 established subsidiaries LIC Card Service Limited to provide credit card services. 2012 established wholly owned subsidiaries Life Insurance Corporation Singapore PT. In 2015 established Industry Life Insurance Corporation LIC Bangladesh Limited in Bangladesh. 2019 complete acquisition 51% of IDBI Bank. 2020 design domestic systematically imported insurer DSSI. 2020 launched Atmanirbhar Agent new business application. And there are many awards has received during last 5 years by LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India, but we are not going to talk over here. We will come back to you when we have a GMP analysis. So this is all about Life Insurance Corporation of India. And yes, absolutely, if you see, we have a one question over here. If you see, in the last 8 years, there are so many things comes from the Singapore. So probably Indian economy can take over by Singapore. We are finding economical crisis in nearest future. If you like our video, just comment into the comment box about this question. Answer it if you are interested. Life Insurance Corporation of India IPO detail. IPO opening date 4th May 2022. IPO closing date 9th May 2022. Issue type book build issue IPO. Face value 10 rupees per equity share. IPO price band between 902 to 945 rupees, 949 rupees per equity share. Market lot 15 share, minimum order quantity 15 share, listing at BSE NSE. Basis of allotment date 12th May 2022. Initiation of refund 13th May 2022. Credit of shares to your demat account 16th May 2022. IPO listing 17th May 2022. Subscription predictions for Life Insurance Corporation of India. Dear viewers, if you see, this IPO has a band between somewhere 900 to 949. So Vridhi wage finance probably expected, according to us, according to the last year, according to our analysis, basically the government has not got up to that much amount of rate interest as invest from the investors. See, we are giving our expected subscription between 10% to 55%, because the current market strategy, the market or the NSE or the BSE is getting affected. Based on that, this predictions gives. Suppose this IPO has blast into the market, we can say get oversubscribed it can touch up to 102% also, but based on the strategies, okay, how much, whatever we have given written, that we can confirm you. But suppose the market show the volatility, or the life insurance corporation of India has got some sort of marketing strategy improved during this number of days, then it can be, because many times we were expected from the government of Indian IPOs, but it wouldn't happen. So that's the reason we given. But probably we have given another one number, that is 102% and above also, it can show the magic. But nowadays there is a tragic into the market since 2022. So that's the reason we are not giving a false hope over here. We gives you perfectly written analysis will be the different, and the oral will might be work out. We are not saying 100% it will work out. Rating strategy by Vridhi Finance for Life Insurance Corporation of India IPO 2022. And over here for LIC Insurance Corporation of India, we will give the rating 3.5 out of 5. Okay, because the strategy of LIC, even this has existing into the market since long term, but it's need to do hard work to do their expansion or to upgrade themselves. Thank you. By Vridhi Finance, we are coming back with the GMP analysis, where you can see our GMP. Probably it might be meet your expectations and meet the investors' interest. Thank you. By Vridhi Finance, we are coming back with the GMP analysis, where you can see our GMP. Probably it might be meet your expectations and meet the investors' interest.